All right, now show some fire emojis. Throw some fire emojis up if you like the new fire emoji pendant, y'all. Custom made for my client out of Houston, Texas, the H-Town. Appreciate you supporting always. Wanted something unique, wanted something different. So, you know, Seattle Go Grillz, you know how we do it. You know how we do. Y'all know it. So I appreciate you guys for the love and support. Throw some fire emojis up if you like this thing right here. This thing is a mixture of different color sapphires. It's got the red, it's got the orange, and it's got the yellow to make that fire emoji look, y'all. The chain is going right there through here. It's like a hidden bell. You can't see it. We didn't want it to stick out because we wanted it to look like the fire emoji. My client wanted it to look nothing but like a fire emoji, so we couldn't put a bell on this one. The bell is the thing like the loop that holds the chain, like this one right here. See, it's got a diamond loop on there, or this one right here. So we just made it to where it would go on the side and you can still see that fire emoji, y'all. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Get creative. That's the new hashtag for Seattle Go Grillz. So when you pick up your grills or you get your pendant, your chain, post it on your Instagram. Like my dude that just left, he got his grills. He said he's gonna tag us. Post it and use either the hashtag Go See Fred, which you guys always do, or get creative if you feel like you got something super creative, y'all. We're gonna be up in the game when it comes to creativity of grills. That's our new motto. Let your smile shine, of course. But the new motto is get creative, y'all. Give us your most creative designs and let us make it to bring it to life, y'all. Appreciate you guys for the patience, the love and support. Most importantly, the patience. One thing Seattle Go Grillz does not do is rush. And I mean to say that with all grill clients, because all grill clients like rushing us. Please do not try to rush us because we're not going to make your stuff, because you're going to be mad if it comes out looking rushed. So we appreciate all the love and support. You guys giving us your best, most creative ideas. Shout out to all my people. One love.